A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your previous class. Students, we are doing chapter 3, Health and Happiness. And this chapter we have seen many things that what we should do to keep oneself healthy. Like we should go to bed at a regular time, wake up at a regular time. We should eat proper food. We should take care of every part of our body, like we should have a bath every day, we should keep our hair clean, we should brush our teeth properly so that our teeth doesn't decay. Then we have seen that we should take care of our sense organs like our ears, nose, eyes. So we have seen few things. Now few more things are left, how we can keep our body healthy. Okay, so let's see those things. Like here one point is there that we can keep healthy by keeping our body clean so that germs do not enter our body, or germs do not make a breeding ground on our body. So one thing we had seen that if we take a bath properly, germs will not breed on our body. Another important thing is we should wash our hands properly, because when we are touching many things, like we are going to school, in the classroom, you're touching your desk, you're touching your books, you're playing, you're touching the ball bat. So if you do not wash your hands properly, that germs will enter your body along with the food when you're eating. So before having your meal, you should wash your hands properly with soap and water, wipe them, and then have your food. Then germs may also live in the nails, so you should cut your nails properly. You should cut your nails at least once a week. Many in the school we see, when we check the nails, हमें दिखता है कि नाखून में आपके गंदगी पूरा काला होके रहता है. नो, आप उस हाथ से अगर खाओगे, आपके नेल्स में जो भी गंदगी है वो आपके खाने के साथ अंदर जा रहा है, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी not good for your health. Okay, you may fall ill. So you should keep your nails, you should keep your hands clean. Not only the hands, even your feet. Like when you are opening your shoes and socks after going from the school, you should clean your feet properly, because when you're wearing the shoes and socks, uh, sweat comes, and if that sweat is left unwashed, then germs may breed. Okay, इसलिए जब आप जूता मोजा खोलते हो तब भी आपको पैर अच्छे से धोना चाहिए, क्योंकि जूता मोजा पहने हुए हो, वहाँ पसीना हो जाता है, पसीने को अगर नहीं धोगे देन वहाँ पे जर्म्स फिर पनपना शुरू करेगा. ओके, एंड यू मे फॉल इल. सो यू शुड वॉश योर हैंड्स एंड फीट प्रॉपरली. Now, we had seen that while reading, we should not lie down and read, because it may harm our eyes. Then we should sit straight. While standing also, we should not bend. We should stand straight so that our backbone is straight. If we bend and stand, our backbone will bend and it will give a wrong posture, wrong position for the body. While sitting also, we have to sit straight. And another important thing by which we can keep ourselves healthy is by exercise. In the morning, we should do exercise regularly to keep our body fit. Even in school, there is a PT period, which is the short form of physical training. We should regularly do this. Swimming, cycling, dancing, sports, they are good forms of exercises. So we should do this regularly to keep our body fit. So till now we have seen that by various ways we can keep our body fit and healthy. Now I had told you in the beginning that if we are healthy we can be happy. Okay, जैसे अगर आप बीमार पड़ जाते हो तो आपको किसी भी काम करने में मन नहीं लगता है, आप दुखी हो जाते हो. लेकिन अगर आप स्वस्थ हो, आप खुशी खुशी हर काम को करते हो. So being healthy is a part of being happy. But other ways of being happy is to do the thing which you like if you enjoy painting, if you enjoy singing, if you enjoy listening to music, if you are doing those things, you will enjoy. Okay, and you will be happy. Now we should not hurt others. and if we have done anything wrong, we should tell sorry so that the other person also doesn't get hurt. जैसे हमने कुछ गलत काम किया है, हमें तुरंत माफ़ी मांगना चाहिए. उससे क्या होता है, दूसरों को भी बुरा नहीं लगता है और हमें भी बुरा नहीं लगता, हम दोनों ही खुश होते हैं. Then we should do our things properly, like when we are coming from school, then we should not throw our uniform, we should not throw our bag, we should not throw our socks and shoes, we should keep them in a proper place. आपके घर में अगर हर सही तरीके से हर चीज़ को रखा हुआ है, आपको देख के खुशी होगा. Then you should pack your routine in the night itself, so that when you get up in the morning for going to school, you are not in a hurry, everything you will get in a proper place. आपका यूनिफॉर्म, आपका बैग पैक होना चाहिए, आपका जूता मोजा सब सही जगह पे रखा होना चाहिए, ताकि जब आप स्कूल जाने के लिए उठो तो आपको हड़बड़ी नहीं हो. Alright, you can do the way in a relaxed way. Now, other way of being happy is making others happy. As I said that we should be polite to others. हम लोग को नम्रता के साथ दूसरे के सामने पेश होना चाहिए. Whether it is your friend, whether it is your teacher, whether it is your parents, we should talk to everybody in a polite manner. And if we have done some mistake, we should be free to tell sorry, so that we don't make others feel sad and make them happy. Okay, so these are the few things by which we can keep ourselves healthy and make us happy and make others happy too. Okay, so this is all about the chapter, students. Thank you.